Hello, I've come on today with the Crafty Army August subscription. So I'm going to open it and then I'll come back once I've made the cards. Here's our postcard. And as always, you get your instructions via email. So we have... Ooh. Look at these scissors. That is very different. I've never seen scissors like that. It's got like a loop. It's very cool. Put them back in there in a minute. So let's look at our cards first. So we've got some dogs on this one. And we've got everyone should have a friend like you. So that's already a winner with the dogs. And second one. Oh, sorry, try not to jog the camera. Right, so there's nothing to give anything away in here, just a little bit of black paper with that one. Card number 3. Oh, this is pretty. It's like some tulle with stars in it. I don't know if you can see that. Is that better? That's really pretty. And we've got some black. Oh, no, hang on. Oh, we've got a little embellishment. And enjoy this day as the sentiment. Just put them away so I don't lose them. And card number 4. Whoa, we've got some jazzy paper. It's single-sided. Both single-sided. And it says made with style. And that's that one. And card number 5. Oh, we've got more of that spotty paper. And that's it. So let's see what other goodies are in here. First of all, I can see we've got this stencil, which is very cool. Sort of like cells or paint, not splatters, but like it's run into puddles. So that's nice. And then we have, what's in here? Oh, we've got flowers. Oh, so I wonder whether these are paper clay flowers actually. They look like they could be. So that's those. Oh. And we've got pencils. Now I have a little set of these already, so I think they might go to my niece. Because I actually have a set and they're on my desk all the time, so yeah. And then we have boring stuff like double-sided tape and double-sided foam pads. Then we have these 2 stamps from Globland. So these are like postcards and then with floral bits on the top, which are really nice. I really like those. They're pretty. And we've got some stickers. So we've got her birthday, we've got a cake. So they're all birthday type stickers. Oh, I like the balloons. And then we've got a cactus as well. Oh, so that's interesting. I'm going to go and look at the instructions online and see where those take me. As you know, sometimes I go rogue, so I might, yes, I might do something a bit different. But we shall see, and I will come back and show you. This is Carly's card with the dogs. The background is obviously an inky one she's made, but there was a digital file in the email so you could actually print this background off, but I decided to go different. And this is mine. As you can see, completely different. I have coloured my dogs in with some pencils. I'm not entirely happy with the colouring, but yeah, I'm not very good with pencils because I haven't had much practice, and I find it so much easier to blend pens, obviously, because they're wet. It's like, I don't know how you get the shading with pencils then. Anyway, it's something I need to learn. But I've made this background on the card using the Villainous Potion Distress Oxide to give that darker purple, and I've used the stencil that was in the subscription as well. But yeah, it's quite different. On to the second card, and this one is black and white, which I think looks really great. It's quite striking, and it's using that stamp repetitively. This one is again different. I've used the stamp as the background and just stamped it multiple times in different ways. Obviously stamped it out as a main image, coloured it in with my Copics, and the rose is actually supposed to be white, so it has got a slightly grey tinge to it. You can just about see the shadows, I think. I don't think the camera is liking the red there because it keeps changing the tone a bit. But yeah, so that's that one. So you can just see on this one the embellishment peeping out of the background, and then that twine bow has been separated as well. This one is not so different. The only thing I've not used is the embellishment, so it's the leaf with the flowers on the bow, which was separated on Kylie's. Sorry, but everything else is more or less the same on mine. This one, you'll notice that Kylie's cut the main image in half and cut around her sentiment and left a border around the edge of that pocket. This one, similar, because I've done the pocket style front. I've left my sentiment as a square, and I've made a little ATC to go inside that pocket, and I actually thought this is quite a good idea for sending an ATC. So yeah, I'm quite liking that one. So on this one, you'll see the images cut into 3, laid on some of that background paper, some separate flowers cut up, twirls of paper and a scribbly border. And finally, again, completely different. I decided to use that stencil again because I just thought it was great. I love it. I think it's a really cool stencil. And as you can see, I've picked up some of the blobs with a black fine liner, and I've used 3 of the well, I don't know what they are, those flowers. I suppose they could be sunflowers or echinacea or whatever. Anyway, mine are just pink flowers. And I've used one lipstick, I think. No, it wasn't. It was, I tell a lie. I used Picked Raspberry and Quiche Flamingo. And then you might remember the stickers that came with it. So remember, we had all these stickers, and I used one of those, but I just cut off the happy because I didn't want to make it into a birthday card, because I'll probably just send them with happy mail, things like that. So yeah, so just put the happy. Have a notice that that's not quite straight, but never mind. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up and a comment. Maybe let me know which card you liked the best, and whether you might try any of the techniques there, especially like this folded card and things. And until next time, cheerio.